guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today in this video you will learn about reports and dashboards for Lightning Experience module, and in this module you will learn about reports and dashboards. Let's move into our module. The first unit in this module is Introduction to Reports and Dashboards in Lightning Experience. In this module you will learn the difference between reports and dashboards and the report type. Let's solve the quiz, and the first question is a dashboard is. The answer is option B, a visual display of key metrics and trends for records in your arch. The second question is a report type determines, and the answer is option A, which fields and records are available for use when creating a report. Let's check it. We have solved this challenge. Thanks for watching.